Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Fenix 7 Sapphire Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to install applications on this watch, it's recommended that your watch is paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. Now, I recommend to download and install the Garmin or rather Connect IQ Store application on the phone that is paired with your watch, because it's gonna make the installation of applications a lot easier. So, open the App Store on your phone. I'm gonna open Google Play Store because I'm using Android device, but if you're using iPhone, you can also go to the App Store on the iPhone, and then you will find that application in there. Okay, so tap on search and type in Connect IQ Store. Once you type it in, tap on search, and you should see Connect IQ Store on the list of apps. Tap on the install button to download and install it. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. In the app, tap on welcome, and then tap on continue or switch accounts if you want to switch the account. Then check the box, tap next. Allow the required permission. And after a couple of seconds, the IQ Store should load. You can scroll through the list of different apps, or rather different categories of apps and watch faces if you want to, and find something here. I'm just gonna tap on search and select the apps category to narrow my search. Okay, and here we have the list of applications. Find the one you like and you want to install. I don't know, maybe something like the memory game. So let's tap on it to select it. Once you select the app, you can see the info of it, or for it rather. We have the info like screenshots, like description, updates, the version and the size, and also if you're not sure if the app will work on your watch, you can tap on compatible devices. You can scroll through the list and look for your device, and if it's on the list, the app should work with your device. Okay, so now let's tap on the install button to download and install the application. And once the application is done installing, you will see this pop up on the screen. You can tap on Got It. If you want to see the list of installed application on your watch, you can go to the main page of the IQ Store, tap on My Device right here, then tap on My Device Apps. And here you have the list of applications installed on your watch. Okay, for now, we can close the app, go to our watch, press the Start Stop button to open the activities, and here you can scroll down. And at the bottom, you should see the icon of the app you just installed. You can tap on this icon to open the app. Okay, of course you can close the app by pressing the back button. And that's how you install applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.